Phospholipids in your city block some substances immediately. Selective permeability. Sends out toxins cause the cells don't need them. The cells don't need them. Transport and channel the types of proteins that allow substance to go through freely. Create side chains with hydrophilic regions. Enlarge polar molecules through selectively. Membranes with non-polar regions. Deflect water hydrophobically. Hydrophilic heads on the exterior. Hydrophobic tails in the interior. Aquapods are proteins that move water in a hypotonic solution. Embedded proteins are in the cell membrane. When a folding protein attracts chemically, polar side chains attract non-polar, can send them spread equal. They can get folded up in hydrophilic environments, folded into the right shape. Then it can get sent off to the membrane to transport glucose in. Through the process of facilitated diffusion, they let charged particles in and ones that are polar. Transport and channel the types of proteins that allow substance to go through freely. Create side chains with hydrophilic regions. Enlarge polar molecules through selectively. And membranes with non-polar regions. Deflects water hydrophobically. And hydrophilic heads on the exterior. Hydrophobic tails in the interior. They can pass through the small non-polar molecules like into a O2. They can go right through the large polar molecules. Can't just travel inside the cell without an embedded channel. Passive transport has no E, moves from high to low. Membrane proteins help facilitate the diffusion of transport. Externally, solutions can be hyper, iso, hypo. Active transport needs energy, send things on the go. Euro stepping past the membrane like it's rondo. Goes from cells to cells like a switch in condos. Oxygen and CO2 move through by hemoglobin. Selectivity of the membrane closes when it says so. Transport and channel the types of proteins that allow substance to go through freely. Create side chains with hydrophilic regions. Sends large polar molecules through selectively. And membranes with non-polar regions. Deflects water hydrophobically. And hydrophilic heads on the exterior. Hydrophobic tails in the interior. This song goes out to everyone that has cells.